Hi, it's Deb from Deb's Days Designs, and I'm back with another sewing project. Today we're making a Scrappy coffee cup sleeve. Use up some scraps, some batting, and keep your hands cool. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel or stop by the blog at debsdays.com and check out my Etsy shop, Deb's Days Designs. That's where you'll find a digital version of this project. You can download it at home and print out the entire pattern. It has the materials list and cutting measurements, step-by-step written instructions, color photos, and the printable template. Or, to save paper, just read through the directions on your device and then print out just the template page. All right, let's get this project started. First, cut out 2 templates and tape them together to make a larger template. Find the midpoint of the top of the batting and mark it. Place 1 fabric strip with the right side of the fabric facing up on top of the batting diagonally from the left bottom corner to the middle of the top marked midpoint. Center a second strip on top with the right side of the fabric facing down. Align the raw edges on one of the long sides of the strips and pin it in place, and stitch along the long edge using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Press it open. Place another fabric strip on top of the last strip, right sides facing each other. Stitch along the long edge of the fabric strip using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. And press it open. Continue adding and sewing strips until you get to the corner of the batting piece. Turn the piece around and repeat the steps on the other side of the batting. Flip the piece over and use the batting as a guide to trim away the excess ends of the strips. Center the template on top of the piece, pin it in place, and cut it out. Use the template to cut out the backing fabric. Center the elastic hair tie on the short end with the majority of the hair tie facing in and baste it in place. Place the backing fabric on top with the right side of the fabric facing down. Use fabric clips or pins to hold it in place and stitch all around the piece using a 1/4 inch seam allowance, leaving a space on the bottom open for turning. Trim away the excess hair tie and clip the corners. Turn the piece right side out and press it. Fold the opening under and press it to form a sharp crease. Then top stitch around the entire piece about 1/8 inch from the fabric's edge. Measure in about 1 inch from the opposite end of the hair tie and attach the button. Place the coffee sleeve around your cup and stretch the loop over the button to secure it. As before, if you need a tighter fit, move the elastic past the button, twist it to cross the elastic, and loop it back over the button. But be sure no hot beverages in the cup if you're holding the cup sideways. And just like that, just that fast, you found a fun way to use up your fabric scraps. If you'd like to see more quick and easy sewing projects like this one, check out some of my other video tutorials. See you next time with another project.